Welcome back to Stock to Off-Road Machine, another epic video by us. As always, remember to storm out, have an epic adventure of your own. Four-wheel drives are not made to sit there and be a polished showpiece in a car park taking the kids to school day in, day out. So get off the beaten track, get those battle wounds, get those scratches, put the dents in the car, and remember the epic stories to tell the mates at the bar and tell them what you've got up to that weekend. So what we're doing here today is we're fitting a set of Lanvigator Catchfors MT tyres 285 by 70 17 inch on a 17 inch negative 22 offset rim. Basically they're 33's, and I know one person that follows this channel, yes you Brent, that would be very happy that we're fitting mud terrains, at least 33's, as he has commented before quite a few times. We are doing it. We are no longer a common tourer patrol. We now have 33 mud terrains, and the negative 22 offset rims will also work when later on in the build we end up going to the 35 inch tires with the 4-inch lift. So that one's going to be a very good day for me when I actually have the 35s on there and everything is done and dusted, and the car is finally that off-road machine that she is bound to come.
You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with. This life like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. To stop me from hitting the ground, and every goal there was a meaning. For this love ain't kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. And when I fall to be, you be right when I'll wait to save me. Superhero in your sleep. A superhero in your sleep. You can't get close. Hourglass you hold. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Come in just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now.
Am I safe for walking out on us? Oh, or am I losing touch? Too many games, now all our chips are lost. Oh, luck was not enough. I opened my eyes. Tonight I feel like waking to life. Tonight I feel like waking up. Tonight I feel like waking up. Tonight I feel like waking up. Welcome to unrealization. We came prepared to kill the operation. It ain't fair, but I feel it with the nation. To raise the flag and do the preparation. Welcome to reality, there's no way back. Welcome to reality, there's no way back. It's okay to be on top like forever, man. This is hard beeping after aliens. We on top of the world, we the sapiens. Do you understand massive complication there? Do you really think you know what I'm made of? My flow is so magical, I'm old, call me Gandalf. You can shine, but I'm about to go off. Heard me wanna believe what I'm saying, but I cannot do this at all. Welcome to reality, there's no way back. 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 Welcome to reality, there's no way back.
So there we have it yet again, 33's fitted to the 17-inch, 8 wide, -22 offset rims. So keep tuned to how she looks and how she performs off-road and in the mud. Lots of videos to come. Thank you for sticking it out to the end of another stock to off-road machine video. Hit up the comment section down below, tell us what you thought of it. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell, that subscribe button, and give us a thumbs up if you like that video.